Hey everybody, so I made a little bit of a boo-boo. I tried to put a wooden handle on this knife and the epoxy wouldn't hold because I neglected to remove the oils from the steel before I glued it. Second thing that I messed up on is that the steel is too hard where I needed to drill a hole. So I guess I kind of did too good of a heat treatment. I just migrated a little bit too far up the tang with my hardness. So now I guess I'm going to try wrapping the handle with leather, because quite honestly it'll look quite good and I'm going to keep the knife. So there it is. Since I'm going for a rough look, I'm just lightly polishing the high spots on this blade. I'll follow up the sandpaper with a fine steel wool. Keeping in the spirit of using as little modern tools as possible, I formed the bevel of the edge with a rough stone. Since the wood handle didn't work out, I'm stacking 2 pieces of leather on the inside of the handle and wrapping it with a calfskin lacing. I had to cut this down significantly because this took a very long time and would be very boring to watch. I wanted to finish off the ends of the wrapping with a Turk's head knot. This is not the best lacing to do a Turk's head knot with, but and I'm not very experienced with a Turk's head, but I figured it would be some good practice. About my 3rd try out of 4. Well, there's our knife. It took us a long time to get here, but we did it completely by hand with minimal tools and equipment, and I think it turned out quite nice. A little happy accident, as they would say, with the handle here. I'm not quite happy with my Turk's head knots, but I need more practice with that anyway. So, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.